What is up, guys? Today's the day. Oh, it's been a long time coming. Today's the day I'm finally get to build my PC, and I am so happy. Like, I've been waiting for this day for maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 months. I've been wanting to build a PC. At first I was like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy one. I'm gonna just like buy a pre-built one, cause that'd be awesome. And I was like, nah, that's no fun. That's no fun. I wanna build my own, make it my own. Well, first off, I should tell you that I'm gonna be mumbling and stumbling over my words throughout this whole process, so get ready to deal with it. Let's go over the stuff real quick, and then when I'm actually putting the stuff in and doing actual building part, I'll let you guys know why I picked it and stuff like that. So right here, we have the, what was this? H100s RGB Pro XT, which is air cooling. Yes. We have, for power supply, we have... Water. Huh? I mean, shut up. Water cooling, whatever, yeah. You're not wrong. He's not wrong. Water cooling. For the power supply, we got the 650 power wattage. 650 watt, yeah, that's what it's called. For the graphics card, we have the GeForce 2070. Super. Yes, super. Can't forget about that part. That's the important part. That is the very important part. Then we have the SSD, only 512 gigs, but it's the inland. I literally I waited for like
3 days.
I didn't technically wait 3 days. It was technically my choice. I waited 2 extra hours to record just so I can get this SSD that I ordered online yesterday. So kudos to Amazon for getting me pretty fast. But I hate you, Amazon, for making it $72. What do we have for RAM? We have a Trident RGB DDR4 3600. Right now there's only 2 of them in here, but you know, Cody, always out there getting those deals. 32 gigs of RAM and this hard drive, actually. All that for $150. Like, that is a steal. Like, I'm scared to tell him the actual price for that, but like, I mean, he's right there recording too. But that is a steal. So I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna have 32 gigs of RAM. I said I wasn't explaining why I'm doing it. But yeah, I'm still explaining myself. For the motherboard, we have the ROG Z390 e-gaming. For the processor, we end up going with the i7 9700K. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. I'm so happy I got this. This is what I was really happy about. And then for the case, we're going with the Carbide series by Corsair. It's a 275 honor. Yeah. So yeah, enough talking. So let's start this build, right? Let's do it. I don't feel like waiting anymore. I've waited way too long, so let's do this. So first thing I'm gonna do is ground myself, because apparently that's something you're supposed to do when you're building PCs. What the heck is semi-modular? Bro! That's not what I wanted. I mean, it's whatever, but it's annoying. I want to be the cool stuff, man. I want all the cool stuff.
With all the cool terms?
With all the cool terms. That's something that's going to be missing from this build too. A lot of terms that I should be saying, and I'm going to replace it with thingy and stuff and objects, parts. And then I have this nifty wrist strap. Anti-static wrist strap.
That you got for a low price of $6.
Yeah, should have bought it from Amazon though, because then at least, you know, I could have returned it. Place it on here. Okay, I didn't get shocked, so that's a plus. I expected to get shocked 100%. So, I guess now I'm grounded.
Or that means that you wasted $6.
Or I wasted $6, yeah. I'm pretty sure I did. But I mean, there's no way to tell unless nothing's gonna happen, so I guess it worked, right? I mean, I can't say that because I didn't finish yet. Now that the second boring thing has happened, it's time for the first important thing to happen. The motherboard. I really don't know what I need at the moment either, because I'm just excited and I just want to rip it open. But
ooh, you got stickers.
Whoa! My build is gonna look so pretty now.
You don't want the stickers?
You can have them. I'll do a giveaway. First person. And now I guess it's time for the processor. And this is the first thing. This is the first thing I'm scared about doing. because, you know, this could ruin the whole build.
You know, sticking a large knife through a small box.
It's fine, it's fine. CPU time. I'm terrified. This is the first part of the build I'm gonna be very terrified about doing. Let's just do it, let's just do it. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, am I even holding this the right way? I had a dream. I opened this up and I dropped it instantly. I hope that was just a dream. Oh god. There. And I'll give it a little wiggle. A little wiggle, there we go. Oh god, moment of truth. Oh god. CPU is installed. Oh god. That was terrifying. Oh. You're gonna have to take out your RAM now, bud. Your system.
That's fine.
Like right now. So next we're just gonna do the RAM because I think that'd be the easiest next thing to do. We got the first scary thing over with. I forgot to talk about why I got this. I got the motherboard because, you know what, it was a bundle with the CPU, so I saved $20. That's mostly the reason why I got it. I hope that's just like nothing. Oh, you see that white stuff though, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't care. Just gonna put the RAM in. There we go. Alright, so we have the RAM. Next is the SSD. Where are you, SSD? Well, we have you, knife. Cut. Thank God for the magnetic screwdrivers. This is definitely gonna come in more handy later on to do this at an angle. And then we're gonna need these screws.
So you're taping.
Yeah, the whole procedure.
You're gonna YouTube and all that?
Yeah.
Smart. Put me on there.
All right, you said it.
I inspired them to do that.
You said it. That's all I needed. I needed someone's approval. All right, so we finally got the SSD, and Jesus, I'm so out of it now. People freaking walking in my freaking car. We in there. In there.
I feel like it's still crooked.
You're crooked. For these two, I am gonna put them on right now, but I'm not gonna use them because I am gonna get an. Oh, wait a minute. I wanted to put that one right there. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm gonna get another SSD, and it's gonna be a terabyte later on in the future, and I don't want to be able to. I want to get the most out of my data usage, storage usage, whatever. We have our SSD in here. We have our RAM. We have our processor. Next, what we're gonna do is putting in the back plate for the water cooler, not air cooler, not air, water cooler. So let's start that. All right, so we got those in. Now let's screw these in. Good thing he didn't see that. Oh, that camera saw it though. I guess the next step would be putting the system into the case. The motherboard into the case. So we're gonna start doing that. Wow. So we have the case here, and it looks like, thank God, the standoffs for the motherboards are already in there. So that's one less thing I need to do. So we're probably gonna just start taking these off and then putting in the motherboard. Yeah. I'm thinking if I want to move these fans first before I do anything, which is what I'm probably gonna do. Yeah, I'm moving this one.
Jesus, that's scary.
God damn it! I did it though. All right, so we have the case fans in the right spots. We got the front panel off because we're gonna put the CPU, not CPU, but the water cooling there. So I guess now we can finally put in our motherboard. Oh my God, it's constricting with it. I need to take the case fan off again. All right. That looks like it should be it. I also have like very small clearance for like the power strip for the what's it called? So you know what? The power strip for the CPU. I'm actually gonna go get that right now. The CPU one already plugged into it. That's why I can't find it. I'm like, where the heck is the CPU one? I can't find it. Well, I obviously can't do that now because I need to screw this in before I can move this. So now I just have shit everywhere again.
Times 1.6.
$6. I guess next we could do the water pump. We'll go next. And then after that we'll do the power supply.
I always thought this was just plug and play.
I mean, I wouldn't say that much, but something similar to that. Oh my god, do I need to screw more stuff in now? God. I screwed into that. Ah! I'm telling you, this is not fun.
If you get this far into the video, go back to the beginning and look at the enthusiasm.
This is gonna be the same goddamn thing, isn't it? God damn it.
So what he's referring to, which I didn't see, is apparently the screws for this radiator is not the right size.
I think it's the right size, but I guess it's supposed to like... Okay. This is gonna be hell. God damn it. It took us an hour just to get the fans on the radiator and put the radiator on the case. Because for some goddamn reason, like, the screws just don't fit in there. And we tried screwed in there and we were just stripping the screws. There's some space there. Some space there. If it's ever shaking, you're just gonna hear the shaking going on. But we finished mounting it. It's on the case now. So now we can actually mount the actual pump to the CPU. Pretty much, I think this is as straightforward as it is. All you have to do is put the thumb screws in, I think. That's all I feel like to do. So we're just gonna finish doing this. Next, we're gonna do the power supply. I remember saying that like 2 hours ago. All right, we got this. We're almost done. We're almost there. So the hardest part, this is not the hardest part, this is my second scariest part. Because I honestly do know where things go, but at the same point, I have no idea where any of this goes. We're getting really close. We're just about there. We're just about there. I added in my hard drive. I got all my plugs connected. Not sure if they're connected to the right spot yet, but they're all connected. So, last but not least, all we have left is the graphics card. Oh my god. I didn't hear it click. Damn it, I gotta stand up and do this. I took out the wrong shield. That's why. I am a potato. Oh god, it's stuck. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. Please come out. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. That's scary. I didn't break anything though. I just dropped my light. So that was very dramatic. Oh, something did come off. Damn. That's the locking mechanism. There. That's the sound I wanted it to make the first 3 times. So this is the build, guys. It looks good. It looks good. So I guess the next thing to find out is if it will actually post. And that's the part that's, you know, scary. So I was gonna wait until tomorrow to try and post it, but I mean, come on. If it's done, well, why not at least try? Alright, so we're gonna hope to God this comes on. Nothing on that time. Let's see. And I did something wrong, clearly. Or that could be it too. Alright. This time for reals. Alright, we got some power. That's a good sign. Alright, so let's turn this baby on and see what happens. We got 2 fans going, 3 fans, 4 fans going. Things are lighting up. Let's see if we output.
No.
There it is! Oh shoot! I can't do anything right now because I don't have Windows up and going. I probably would have been closer, but while getting this monitor out here, I unplugged my computer, my old computer, which was downloading Windows. So, not doing that today. But we do more stuff tomorrow. Yeah, this looks good. Finally built it. We finally built the PC. I'm very happy. I got it to post last night, which is even better. So the problem now isn't what you see. The problem is what you don't see. What you don't see is the cable management. So right now it's not looking the best. Like this looks fine, but back here is where it gets really funky. Let's check it out. This is what the cables look like, which is a freaking mess, I think, in my opinion. I definitely needed to get a little better than this, and that's what today is just gonna be about. Me getting all these cables looking good. No! So yeah, this is the build, guys. We finally built the PC. I'm very happy with it. I didn't break it as bad as I thought I was gonna break it, so I'm very happy about that. And now I have something to look forward to with not only like the future of my YouTube channel, but like my future in general. Because now I have stuff to do. Now I can do some real stuff with this computer, and that's very exciting. That's very exciting. But if you guys like this, if you guys like the build, be sure to give the video a like. And if you guys like are just happy that I'm happy and I finally can do stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel too, so you can get some more stuff that I'm going to be putting out now that I have a computer that I can actually do things I actually want to do. My streams are going to look better, my videos are going to be nicely and easier to edit with, and I'm just so happy. I can't be any more happier than this. So again, thank you guys for watching the video, and I guess I will just see you guys on the next one. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.